Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in New Kingston and we are giving you an update on the construction of the Abeng building in New Kingston. Now this is located on Braemar Avenue. This is the residential part of the New Kingston developments. On the other side, by Knutsford Boulevard, you have the commercial buildings. Now on the left is a view at the Braemar, a 10-floor residential building built by Proven, and on the right is the Abeng building, 6 floors. But this is a massive development. I must say, when we first started covering the construction of this building, I didn't realize it was going to be so big. I would say over 30 to 40 units in this building. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The Abeng of Braemar is one of the more notable residential developments to emerge in New Kingston in recent years, combining modern urban design with personal heritage and a focus on high-end living. Developed by Digital Transtech Limited, the project marked the company's first foray into real estate after years of working in software and civilian aviation technology. Located on Braemar Avenue, a half-acre lot that once housed the company's corporate headquarters, the project symbolizes both transformation and growth within Kingston's rapidly evolving skyline. The development was designed as a 6-story residential complex consisting of 22 units, a mix of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments. The Abeng of Braemar was targeted at both homeowners seeking upscale urban residences and investors interested in long-term property value. Architecturally, the project was led by Virtuoso Architects, with Peter Jervis serving as a structural engineer and Landmark Limited as the contractor. The collaboration reflects the strong pool of Jamaican expertise in design and construction that has driven the country's real estate boom. Importantly, the development benefited from changes in planning regulations introduced in 2016, which allowed greater density on residential plots in New Kingston. These changes permitted more habitable rooms per acre and authorized taller buildings, up to 6 floors, making projects like the Abeng of Braemar feasible and financially sustainable. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.